Black Cat Crafts, the channel that helps you personalize your Halloween village. Today's craft is a set of DIY pumpkins, but not just any size. These are mini, perfect for your Spooky Town or Department 56 Halloween village. Start off with a ball and then grab the end of a paintbrush to make dents on either end. Don't worry about how sharp those lines look. As we work with the Sculpey clay, they will soften. Now there you saw I squeezed the ball very gently. Most pumpkins are not perfectly round, so you want them to be a little bit flat so it doesn't end up looking like a basketball. I've used a sharp plastic knife to make the lines. Now you may not have been able to see from the video, but the purple knife is not serrated. So most plastic cutlery does have a serrated edge. I'm using both the sharp and the flat side to help create those lines, really feeling them in. I'm using gentle touches because this clay is so soft. If you use a lot of pressure, you'll cut too deep, and then you might have to manipulate it with your finger to get it back where it needs to go. I really enjoy working with this Sculpey clay because it's so forgiving. For those of us who don't have art degrees, you have day jobs that don't revolve around art, it's really fun to use. So now that I have the lines just like I want them, I've used the paintbrush to again massage the indent. I'm not pushing very hard. Now I've used my finger to smooth out an area I didn't particularly like, and I'm going to redo it with that purple plastic tool. Incidentally, this tool came with my set of Sculpey. So next we're going to make the stem. This is the final step in the project. So this is very quick, very easy to make a ton of these. You could use them for your Lemax or Department 56 village. Some people put them on jewelry. So at this point you could be embedding a loop for maybe a charm or a necklace. So super fun, a lot of opportunities here. You could also use this for a dollhouse if you know anyone who has one of those. I certainly did when I was a young lady. So now I'm just gently massaging the brown stem into the pumpkin. You saw earlier I rolled out a little snake, made sure it had a point on one end, and then cut it evenly. And I put that cut end on the pumpkin side. Now I'm curving the stem over. I like that look, but you don't have to do it. You could leave yours standing up or really make it your own. This isn't an absolute process. This is an example. Do what you need to do to make this perfect for your project. So that's it. Make enough pumpkins to fit the project that you'll do. You'll see the pumpkin patch. It was one of the signs that I did. That was another dollar store redo, and that's coming soon. Check out these other videos and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching Black Cat Crafts. I can't wait to share my other videos with you to help you personalize your Halloween village. So click the videos above, and I'll see you on my next video.